Do you know what is Deinococcus Radiodurans?
Deinococcus Radiodurans. What is that? Like, what kind of organism? Some type of new species of dinosaur? This red bacterium is the real deal when it is almost impossible to kill this bacterium with its special defense strategies such as insane DNA repair mechanism. Deinococcus Radiodurans has the ability to withstand other extreme such as dehydration and low temperatures, making the microbe one of the few life forms found on the North Pole. This red bacterium surely flex this achievement that humans declaring it as the world's toughest known bacterium in the Guinness Book of World Records. With those reasons, this bacterium surely became our number one bacterium on our list, as it shows us the characteristics of a king and the excitement it holds.
Next, I will introduce you about these microbes. Deinococcus radiodurans is a gram-positive bacteria from the family of Deinococcus. It is also an extremophilic bacteria which is able to survive under high radiation conditions. The radiodurans also has a special characteristic which its DNA is organized in unique ring structure. These structures will lead to the protection of genetic information. Other than that, the radiodurans also able to repair hundreds of double strands without loss of stiffness.
Deinococcus radiodurans can also withstand and survive acute irradiation doses of 1,500 kilorades. This level of radiation may cause massive damage to genomic DNA of most organisms such as humans. Now, the radiodurans is known as the most radiation-resistant organism in the world.
Discovery of Deinococcus radiodurans, we will talk about the founder of this microbe and the idea of discovery. Arthur Anderson was found Deinococcus radiodurans in 1956. He found these microbes at the Oregon Agricultural Experiment Station in Corvallis, Oregon. In 1999, the total DNA succession of Deinococcus radiodurans was distributed by the Institute for Genomic Research. Nitty-gritty explanation and investigation of the genome showed up in 2001. The sequence was ATCC BAA 816. In August 2020, researchers announced that microorganisms from Earth, especially Deinococcus radiodurans microbes, were found to get by for a very long time in space. In light of study directed on the International Space Station (ISS).
Scientists had proven that Deinococcus radiodurans has many great benefits in research fields. This is because of its ability to repel radiation, DNA damaging agents, and mitomycin C. Scientists are using Deinococcus radiodurans for bioremediation, biomedical, and nanotechnology. Firstly, in nanotechnology, Deinococcus radiodurans has been used to integrate silver and gold particles. It's a biosynthetic process and it is a good process for environment as the process is eco-friendly and it is also low in cost. In bioremediation, Deinococcus radiodurans has been genetically engineered by the scientists to digest solvents and heavy metals in radioactive environment. For example, E. coli has been replicated into Deinococcus radiodurans to detoxify ionic mercury residue that came from nuclear weapons manufacture.
Deinococcus radiodurans is a model of the study of processes that drive to aging and cancer in the biomedical field. In order to prevent aging and cancer, the mechanisms that Deinococcus radiodurans has, which are mechanisms of protection against oxidative damage and DNA repair. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching our video.